Hi everyone, today I am going to make a video review of this automatic Vevor heat press. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is a Vevor 15 by 12 smart heat press and it is fully automatic. Let me show you how it works. So when you receive this heat press, you're going to take it out of the box, and the only thing you have to do is plug in the power cord. Everything else is fully assembled. You're going to get the heat press, the power cord, and this control is attached to the heat press. So the first thing you're going to need to do is press this button right here, the power button, for 3 seconds. That turns it on. It's going to open up. We're going to have 2 pads in here. You're going to have a blue pad that goes on the bottom, and then you're going to have this second pad which goes on the top, and these stay on there. There's nothing that covers the top up here. Okay, this is, like I said, this is fully automatic. It adjusts its pressure itself, and it can be in centigrade or Fahrenheit. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is set. It comes in Fahrenheit, but if you use centigrade, I'm going to show you how to change it to centigrade. This is your control. It does everything right here. So I'm going to shut it off. Okay, to change it from Fahrenheit to centigrade, you're going to hold this button for 6 seconds. Okay, now it says it's in Fahrenheit. If you need to change it to centigrade, you just rotate your dial until it says centigrade, and then press power button again. Now when we turn it on, it'll be in centigrade. You can see right here the C is flashing. But I don't want centigrade, I want Fahrenheit. So I'm going to shut it off again. You're supposed to hold it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So, but what I want this to be Fahrenheit, so I'm going to switch it back by holding this for 6 seconds. Like I said, it comes in Fahrenheit, so if you want Fahrenheit, you don't have to do this. Okay, I turn my dial so it shows Fahrenheit. Now we're in Fahrenheit. Okay, so when you first receive this, just press the power button once to turn it on. It's going to open. You might have to catch your pad off of here. Okay, so now how do we set the settings? Okay, we're going to show you how to make a tote, and we're going to show you how to make car coasters, just to show the difference in how it adjusts for the thickness. So for the car coasters, we use 365 for 120 seconds. So we're going to adjust the temperature by turning this dial to the right. We're going to turn the dial to the right. See, it's flashing. So now you just turn this dial to your temperature. I want 365. Once it's flashing, just press the power button. Now for the seconds, you turn it to the left. Nope, I'm backwards. Yeah, no, I'm right. Okay, so you see that's flashing now. Now we can adjust our seconds, turn it left or right. So I want 120 seconds. And then I just press my power button. Now it's going to heat up to 365 for 120 seconds. And this thing heats up fast, too. It probably heats up in about 10 minutes.
I'll get your coasters ready.
Okay, it's beeping now. As you can see over here on the dial, I'm at 365. We're at the temperature, and I've got it set for 120 seconds. So make sure you can put some butcher paper over your mat. And then I'm going to just put these car coasters on here. I should have had them ready already, but it won't take me but a second to have them ready to put on here. You can hear it's beeping. That means it's ready to go. It's at your set temperature. Get these ready. I should have left more paper around the edges so I could tape to it, but I didn't. Not very hardly anything to tape to right here. Okay, there's one. Set this right here. Kind of keep your
coaster side down, paper side up.
This is just for car coasters.
Yes.
I have a video that shows you how to do car coasters. I'm just using these as an example to show you how the press auto adjusts its pressure for different thicknesses. So we're just going to set these on here, kind of keep them in the middle. Don't set them in the back or the front. Try and keep all your work in the middle or evenly spaced. Now we're going to take our second butcher paper, place this over the top. Now all you have to do to start is just press this button right here. Just like that. It automatically closes and adjusts the pressure for our car coasters. And it'll count down for 120 seconds or whatever time you have set. And then when that time period is up, it will automatically open. So we'll continue as soon as we get closer to the time for this to open. Okay, we're down to our time. It's going to automatically open. How cool is that? Okay, just take a look at our car coasters here. Just got to take them off of here. A car coaster. They're still a little warm. There we go. So it adjusts the thickness for the car coasters. Now we're going to sublimate something thinner. We're going to sublimate a tote bag.
I'm going to change the temperature.
So first I got to change the temperature. So a tote bag we need to do 380 for 40 seconds. So we're going to turn this to the right. And then our dial is going to flash for our temperature. And then we want to adjust this to 340.
380.
Or 380, I'm sorry. 380. No more pushing buttons, just turning the dial. Once you have it on 380 and it's flashing, just press it. Now we're going to turn this dial to the left. Now seconds are flashing. Now it's ready to set for 40 seconds. I was too slow. Let me go again. Okay, 40 seconds. So we're going to turn this to 40. It's a lot easier than pushing that button. 40 seconds, and once you get it, now we're set it for 380 to 40 seconds. As you can hear, it's beeping. It's already at 380. That's how fast it does. Okay, I've already got this tote bag prepped. I've already got it lint rolled.
Parchment paper.
And parchment paper in the center there. And we're just going to put this on here. And I'm going to cover it with another piece of parchment paper. Like this. And press the button to start it. Just like this. There it goes. And in 40 seconds, it will open up automatically. We'll continue from there. Okay, we're down to 3 seconds. It should be opening. There it goes. I just love the way it opens by itself and closes.
I love that it automatically does the pressure.
And it auto pressure.
I like that.
Okay, so, and another feature, if I just leave this on, after 30 minutes, it'll automatically shut off. So if you forget to shut it off, you get busy, after 30 minutes of no activity, it automatically shuts off. Okay, so let's see how I did on this tote bag. There you go.
Perfect.
So
And we didn't have to adjust anything.
I didn't have to adjust any
Just
pressure.
change your time.
All I do is change my temperature and
Just change your
time.
time.
So yeah, I really like this heat press. It's easy to use, no adjusting pressures, and I'll put a link to this heat press in the description. Oh, another thing, you can manually open and close it by pressing on this button right here. So if you want to manually open and close this, you can do it by pressing this button. Just like that. So hopefully you liked this video and gave you a good suggestion for a heat press, and it will help you decide whether you want to purchase it or not. Please like, subscribe, and share, and thanks for watching.